You're on.
We're gathered here. This is a laser experiment, and it could have implications for a parallel universe contact. And what we're going to actually do is try to create a matrix of lasers inside Casa Rinconada, and specifically is it the seventh niche,
The
DB?
seventh niche.
Yeah, okay. And we're going to shine a laser in there, and then we're going to get a rebound from the laser into Jim's telescope. So that's basically the setup, and this is strictly an experiment.
And on his telescope, is there a CD camera?
Yeah, CCD
that will
camera
record this?
That will record this.
CCD camera.
GB, do you have a few comments you want to make?
This is the silliest thing I've ever been involved in. I love it. I love it. The secret of life
science.
will
This is
will
pure
be.
Science.
Well, it's pure something.
Science.
It might start with
It
an
always
S.
comes up, you know.
I like it that I'm the one that's saying.
You're on.
We're looking for Jesus today in the CCD camera.
And we can hardly wait for what we see in the other matrix.
It's pure science, as John and Ava mentioned.
Okay.
Parallel universes.
Yep. We want one where Bush didn't win.
You know, when you cross two laser beams, you can make a sun. I learned
Jim?
that.
This isn't me. I wasn't.
This is a parallel
Okay.
Jim.
I didn't do it. I wasn't here, and you can't prove it anyway.
All right. Any more comments?
He's not involved. It wasn't his idea.
What's your name?
Jenna.
Jenna. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Anybody?
My name's Jenna. I can't.
Daryl.
I'm hoping for Elvis tonight.
Looking for Elvis, did you
Yeah,
say?
if Elvis doesn't show up, then I'd settle for Maryland.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
That's what you're looking for in a
Vincent?
parallel.
I just heard there was some kind of party out here tonight, so
All right.
I
Sounds good
came
to me.
along. Or at least a parallel party.
Hi, my name is Matt. I'm operating the camera equipment tonight, and I think I think this is going to prove what we found out last year. Can you say that again?
I said last year we proved the parallel universes. This year we're proving the contact. It's
Okay.
the communication phase
I see. Okay.
through the
You
doorway.
actually proved the parallel universe last time?
Whatever you believe.
Please introduce yourself.
Oh, my name is Kelly Baker. I'm a ranger in Chaco.
What do you
And
think about
this
the
is Joan
John?
and her husband Neil.
Hi.
Nice to meet
And
you.
Lyle T. Yazzie.
Lyle T. Yazzie.
So we get the whole thing.
Yeah.
Are you going to assign us spots?
I'm not. John is. I'm
I mean,
just here
John
for the
is.
ride. I
We have
know
things to
nothing more
do.
than you guys.
Green laser.
I think we all have
All right,
something
we're
to
ready
do.
to have to work.
Yes,
It's
yes.
still a van. That's
That
not
wasn't
John.
in the deal.
What happens?
Oh,
All right. Two people.
We'll know it's closed when we see John.
Oh, laser fight. Hey, John. What's going on?
We're not sure.
We're looking for parallel universes.
All right, that's good. Hi, Mom. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm John Bug, law enforcement ranger here.
Very good.
Please don't shine lasers at me. It makes me a little jumpy.
No lasers at people. Not even in jest.
Arrest them. You have a taser.
This is a real experiment.
I've seen the YouTube.
Yes. So you know.
See the YouTube.
Yes, you know the legitimacy of
He
this.
knows what we're doing here.
Yeah. I haven't seen any of the YouTube stuff.
So it was a lot of fun. Where'd you get the cool camera?
John.
Oh, wow.
So it's taking
He's a filmmaker.
anybody who wants to see how the system works. It's doing the image in
Matt.
3 colors. So there is in red, and what you're probably getting is the heat off the rocks. So that's the niche, and that's the laser in there. So that's in red. That's a red image.
Oh, I see. You got a real close up there.
Yeah.
I
And
see.
here is the
Oh,
here's the green.
blooming.
Yeah, it's blooming. Yeah, because the laser is green, so it's gonna. We even have to reduce that more.
Yeah.
So now it'll go through blue now. So this is blue. Okay, and that's what it looks like in blue. And then what this camera will do, or what the software will do, it'll combine them into one image. And let's see.
What's the software you're using?
This is astronomy software actually. So, and then we don't want the blue here. I don't know why it keeps coming up. But, okay, we're going to combine those 3 images into one image.
Oh,
Ooh,
pretty.
majorly cool. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Hey, I'm convinced.
And it's pointing. It's pointing towards something. Maybe that's where Elvis is buried.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right.
So,
Is that the part? Is that scatter? That what is?
well, the camera has a thing of building up the image, and then what'll happen to it'll just bleed into other pixels. So that's what you're seeing down here. But that's the power of the green laser.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna save this one.
I'd save that one.
Okay, save.
It actually does.
Now, when are we going to shine our sight?
Yeah, now, if it's dark enough, if we can actually see the trails of the lasers, that's the important part. Can you see?
I can.
A little bit.
But you'll see them from the side, maybe those parallel ones from the side.
Okay. Shall we get over there?
Yeah, let's try
Okay.
it.
So we have our 2 laser pointers.
Assume positions.
Assume the position.
Good luck. It's all in the name of science, remember.
So these lasers actually, when they hit the rocks and they return, that they actually are altered. So my assumption
Your
is
theory.
that my
Hypothesis.
theory, all that stuff, is like that there's the information in the image that's coming back, in the laser that's coming back after it hits the rock. And part of the thing is that these walls have huge amounts of information. You know, how they were constructed and all this stuff. And the good part of it is that these walls are actually being constructed now in a parallel universe. As we stand here, there are Chacoans in a parallel universe, not identical but parallel, that are building.
Hang on.
So the idea was,
That's how you do create a hologram.
yeah, that's right, that this laser that's being shot toward the 7th niche will be intersected by 2 lasers shot from there, and that if they intersect, if there was dust or if it's dark enough, you'll see those lasers intersect, and that's what we want to photograph too.
What?
Because that might create the hologram. That there may be actually some construction in the energy of this building that could create a hologram.